7 of Standard 8. So today I am sending the notes of lesson 12 and 13. Okay, it will be sent even in the PDF. I am explaining about this notes. Question answer I am explaining about. You see carefully my video. First, answer the question in one or two sentences. When did India become independent? On 15th August 1947, India became independent. You can write like that also. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Second question. When was Pakistan formed? Pakistan was formed on 14th August 1947. Before it was with us, then it separated and it became freedom. It became independent from India. Third question. What did Muslim who were influenced by the thought of British believed? See, many Muslim leaders were convinced that Muslim will not be safe, understand, in India. So this, if sometime the answers, if there are not clear, page number is given, you see clear on that and you will understand. Sometime if you don't understand the answer clearly, the page numbers are given. If you see in the textbook, you will come to know. By whose convenience? Who convinced them? It was the Muslims leaders who convinced them they will not be free in India. Now fourth question. What was the Viceroy Lord Mountbatten opinion about Indian independence? He was an opinion that partition was an inevitable condition of independence of India. Otherwise, entire country will understand. This is on page 95 in the textbook, and you can clearly copy down from your textbook. These notes I am giving from workbook. Understand? So, who prepared the plan for the partition of India? What was done to implement this plan? Understand? Mountbatten proposed the plan of partition of India. It was Lord Mountbatten who for the partition of India, which is known as Mountbatten Plan. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independent Act. Understand? Passed one Independent Act, and this you can get clear answer on page 95. Now, sixth question. Who was appointed as the Governor General of Independent? Mountbatten was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India. Who was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as the first President of Independence. Understand? Which was included in Pakistan. Area having a majority of Muslim population was included as Pakistan. First India and then which country means Pakistan, which was called as Pakistan, where the Muslim population was more, that was considered as the Muslim. Understand? Pakistan. Now, who unfurled the Indian tricolor from Red Fort for the first time? When Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the Indian tricolor flag from Red Fort at the first time in Delhi when we were declared independence. Understand? Who was given the responsibility of merging the princely state into the union? It was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Shri Vemon. Understand? Vemon. Who took the initiative of joining the India first? The Maharaj, who means after independence, we had 562 princely state, and who was the first state to join Indian Union? It was the Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh joined the Union of India first time. Then, which was princely returned with merge with Indian Union? It was by forcefully. They wanted to live independent, but it was the three states, that Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir, they wanted to join. They did not want to join Indian Union. They wanted to live separately. They wanted to make their own state. Who proved India political unity after independence, and how? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel proved that Indian by successfully and merging the princely state into India. Who assisted Gandhi when Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30th January in 1948. Now, with Which word Jawaharlal Nehru announced the sad terms of Gandhiji's death on radio? Jawaharlal Nehru, friends and comrades, the light has gone out of our lives in the darkness and everywhere we know what to tell you. Understand? This was to say, and this clear answer you can get on page 79. Now, who was the, see in the text, some if you don't clearly understand, sometimes some words in the workbook, you can clearly open your textbook, sit with your textbook and write this answer. Who was the chairman of Constitution Assembly? Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was the chairman of the Constitution Assembly. Who was the first president Constitution of India? It was Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constitutional Assembly of India. Now 18. When was the Constitution of India independent? On 26 January 1950, we are considered as a Constitution of India was implemented and we considered as the Republic Day also on that day. Who was the last Governor General of Independent? Understand, Raj Gopalacharya was the Governor General of Independent. Now we can say who was the President of India? It was Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, and which was the national festival. Which are our national festival? It is the Republic, Independent, Gandhi Jayanti. These all are our national festival, we can say. The other festival like Uttarayan, they are called the social festivals. Now, which problem India have to face the challenge at the time of independence? Understand, with three challenges they have to face at that time. It was the opinion that participation of individual condition of independence, otherwise the entire country will face the communal rights and many people would suffer. See here, Mountbatten, and it was the Muslim leaders. What did they said? See, if Pakistan will not be separated from India, it complete riots will be there and people will suffer, and who know the reality unwillingly to accept this proposal and for the formation of Pakistan was there. And this page number 95 you can get the clear answer from the textbook. Now, what plan did the Lord Mountbatten do and why? To safeguard the interest of, why did he do this? To safeguard the interest of Muslim community. Resolution to separate Pakistan from India. At the time of declaration, India had Mountbatten was the viceroy. He passed the plan known as Mountbatten. He finalized and participation was done. Was done. So Pakistan, it was the supremacy all over the princely states.